Alright, we got some 250R motor work going on here. Sandblast and powder coating. Getting it prepped for a redo. Getting new bearings. Yep. Cases are in good shape. They're just crusty. But they're sandblasting up pretty good. Not quite too sure about that pitting. I'll have to figure that out. Clean it up. This is what got dropped off to me. The motor was together, so a lot of this stuff I just kind of threw in here because it all needs to be cleaned, put together, gone through. Some of the stuff needs to be replaced. We got hole in water pump cover, broken ear on the inner clutch hub. Clutch plates are shit. That needs to get cleaned up. Basket's actually not in that bad of shape. This cover's really not in that bad of shape, but I'm gonna get him the update kit for the clutch because there's no clutch rod in here. There's no ball. There's no... He ordered this off eBay or someplace online, and this is what they sent him. I had a real good case of what the fuck. Carburetor's toast. This is the one off my old R, or my R, so he's gonna get that. What else we got? Crank needs rebuilt. It's done. Neat little ESR cover. Gears don't look too bad. I'll put them on the lathe and clean them all up. Yeah, here's my box of puzzle. All right, issue number 1, broken bolt. Won't come out. Weld it up, get it done.
Attempt number 1. Nope. Attempt number 2.
Hello? It's always neat when the owner of the project that you're working on shows up while you're working on it. Try and get shit out of your cases.
How you doing, Bubba?
Broken bolt. Get a broken bolt out.
Never do. Oh. What a bitch.
And I gotta weld this back up and machine it down and re-tap it so if you have a flat surface for your grade club to sit on.
Oh, yeah. Jeez. Unbelievable.
But as you can see,
yeah,
they're nice cleaned up.
Yeah, man. Fuck yeah.
Just this side's the only problem. Oh, I'm still recording.
Later that day.
Got a weld on it finally, and it's walking out.
Third time's a charm.
There you have it. That's got to be fixed a little bit. I'll weld that up, fix it. Use brake clean, not acetone. Put the bolt in there because aluminum does not stick to steel when you weld.
Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. That way you can catch the rest of this build, because the guy's bringing me the actual three-wheeler to assemble and do a whole bunch more custom work to. Any other videos and stuff like that I got going on, like racing videos and stuff, hit that subscribe button, guys. You don't want to miss out. The bell notification. And go ahead and slap the like button for this video if you really enjoyed watching the case repair. And throw a comment in there if you feel like scrutinizing anything, because we all know there's trolls out there that just like saying stuff. This is open forum. Have at it, guys. Appreciate the views, appreciate the subscriptions, appreciate the clicks. Y'all have a great day. Enjoy the rest of the video. That way you can see what it looks like when it turns out.
Was going to run a drain plug down in there, but I don't have one on hand. What's this? Yeah, so cases are fixed.